Hello there, Anders Larsson here, and today's video will be about a web service called Chat-GPT Growth Marketing Mastery Guide. It claims to give you true marketing potential with AI. But before I begin this video, I would like for you to take a momentary pause and ask yourself the question, do I want to work 40,000 hours or more before I retire? My answer is a no. And it has always been a no from the start. This has always been my motivation for attempting to make money online and start my own side business so that I can eventually fire my boss and quit my job. I tried simple affiliate marketing with no guidance, and this was before I actually figured out how to become successful with an online business. I was all over the place. I focused more on selling low-ticket affiliate products and spent hundreds of dollars on ads trying to sell these products, only to get a lower return than I had anticipated. The entire experience was depressing, and I was on the verge of giving everything up. If you have gone through the same thing, you need to know that you are not alone, and many people have fallen for online gurus and fake promises of success overnight. How much have they taken from you? How many days, weeks, months, or even years did you invest into low-ticket affiliate products or low-profit businesses? Fortunately, I met someone who helped me get out of this cycle and put me on the right path. I learned that there is more effectiveness and value when you work with other people in this niche, especially those who have been doing it for a while. Would you be interested in earning $1,000 in commission without having to sell anything on your own? And what if I told you that you will get a sales team that will sell for you for free? They will do all the selling and explaining for you. All you have to do is refer someone to the same system I use in my business. I will reveal how I make money online at the end of the video, but now my friend Olivia is going to take over and talk about Chat-GPT Growth Marketing Mastery Guide. Alright, over to you, Olivia.
Thank you, Anders. Start your AI-powered marketing adventure with Chat-GPT to go out in front of the curve. Over 700 prompts were used to construct this marketing guide, and there are over 90 resources included to assist you understand how to use Chat-GPT for your personal brand or business. Hello, YouTubers! I'm overjoyed to let you know about my brand new offering, the Chat-GPT Growth Marketing Guide. More than 500 people have already requested their complimentary copies after the initial introduction on Twitter. 1. Why did we construct it? It can be difficult for founders or business owners without a strong background in marketing. And it is obvious why. Lack of appropriate knowledge. Adapting environment and resources. The outcome? Procrastination, ineffective marketing, and no forward movement. Consult the Growth Marketing Guide for assistance. 2. How is it beneficial? You can gain a thorough understanding of marketing's ideas and techniques, including its many strategies, tactics, and instruments, by reading our Growth Marketing Guide. This manual covers all the different aspects of marketing, such as email advertising, optimization for search engines, content promotion, site evaluation, paid per click promotion, tracking and analytics. Become an expert to stop questioning your marketing strategies in the future. 3. What's within? The ultimate marketing manual was created with more than 700 commands, featuring more than 70 resources. When the prompts are used, this manual can provide you with all the information you need to scale your business to $10,000 per month and learn AI language models with 175 billion parameters. 4. Next, what? In 2023, if you strictly adhere to the advice in this manual, you'll master the art of effective self and business promotion. Don't wait in line and miss using AI to expand your company. Now take it. I'll be online all day long. I welcome any inquiries you may have about the template. A big thank you to everyone who came out to the event to support me as well. I'm grateful to you. I'll see you in the remarks. All right. Over to you, Anders.
Nice video clip, Olivia. Thanks for sharing. So, the system I use gives you a great education and a lot of basic knowledge that you need. Affiliate marketing is a good place to start if you really want to run a business from home. This type of work allows you to earn a passive income and achieve financial independence. But it is hard for newbies to make money because they don't really know what it is like. They say that all you have is yourself, and that is really not a lie. You are the only one who can grow and improve your business. What you have to do is to drive traffic. You know, one of the most important and hardest things you need to do to get results is drive traffic. There are many things you need to learn. A lot of people who watch my videos are looking for something simple and easy. They want something where they can jump right in and quickly make their money back. They may think they can generate a profit without having to put in a lot of work. But the truth is they end up spending a lot of time studying and come to understand that they know very little. Those who want to do well will have to do a lot of work. The reality is that it takes time to build your brand. It takes time to gain following. Building your email list takes time. This is something that online gurus don't want to tell you. I am not afraid to tell you this because I want you to have as much information as possible before you decide to start an online business. By showing you that I'm real and genuine, maybe I can give you a little nudge towards the right direction and recommend you the same system I use that has the right digital training for you to get started. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description. Decide to make an investment in yourself and take appropriate action that you will later thank yourself for. Anyway, if you found this video useful, please like it. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos. Stay awesome, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.